हेलो 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 रविंद्र, आवाज आ रही है? हेलो रविंद्र, आवाज आ रही है? हेलो हेलो रविंद्र, आवाज आ रही है? हेलो, कोई रिस्पांस नहीं कर रहे हो? आवाज नहीं जा रही है क्या? हेलो हेलो रविंद्र, आवाज आ रही है? हेलो ओके, फाइन. So just let's we start today our first day class of 8th semester, no? So just today we are going to discuss about the DSP. Okay. Okay, so let's start today class of DSP. So what is the full form of DSP? Digital signal processing. Okay. Digital signal processing. So we are going to discuss about the let's share the screen and then we try to discuss.
सर कोई भी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है क्या? हेलो 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 स्क्रीन शेयर हो रहा है? पूजा कुमारी, कोई भी रिस्पांस नहीं कर रहा है. कुछ स्क्रीन शेयर हो रहा है कि नहीं? हेलो हेलो स्क्रीन शेयर हो रहा है ना? So just today we are going to discuss about the DSP, that means digital signal processing, in which we are going to first class. So just we try to discuss about the basic introduction of the signal and system. Okay, introduction of signal and classification of different type of signal. Okay, so due to the poor network, we are disconnected the frequent time. So let's we start. So first of all, we try to define the signal. Okay, so what is the signal? Anyone can define it? What is the signal? So signal is defined as the function of one or more variable that contains the information on the nature of the Okay, so signal is defined as the function of one or more variable that contains the information on the nature of the physical phenomenon. Okay. When the function is defined on a single variable, that signal is said to be one-dimensional. Okay. Signal either may be one-dimensional or two-dimensional or more than two-dimensional. Okay. So
सर कुछ भी नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है.
आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या? Hello. Okay, so signal either may be one-dimensional or two-dimensional. That depends upon the signal variable. Okay, so it is single variable that is known as the one-dimensional. What is the example of one-dimensional signal? That is a speech signal that contain the amplitude vary with respect to time, and when the function defined or signal defined. Okay, so when the signal defined on two or more variables, the signal is said to be multidimensional. The example of the multidimensional is your image. That means that contains the horizontal and vertical coordinates of the image are two-dimensional signal. Okay. Now, how we can define this system? How we can define a particular system? So system is nothing but some entity that the Okay, so a system is defined as an entity that manipulates one or more signal and form a new signal. So how we can represent this system in a block diagram? Just mute yourself. Hello. Hello. Just mute yourself. So how we can represent this system, an input signal and output signal in a block? Either you may be first contains your input signal, and when this input, okay, I am facing a lot of problem of internet connectivity. So very frequently I am disconnected. So आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या? हेलो रविंदर,
कुछ नहीं आ रहा, आवाज साउंड क्लियर नहीं है.
साउंड उधर से कुछ स्टूडेंट का सब कोई उधर से इको आ रहा है. जस्ट म्यूट योरसेल्फ. जितने भी स्टूडेंट पार्टिसिपेंट है वो जस्ट म्यूट योरसेल्फ. Okay. sorry. So in a communication system, the input signal either may be a speech signal or maybe computer data. So the system itself made up of the combination of different parameters. That means the input signal either be a speech signal or maybe computer data. So the system itself made up of the combination of different parameters. That means either maybe transmitter, channel, and receiver. So the output signal is an estimate of the information contains in the original signal. That means your original message. That means your so the output signal is an estimate of the information contains in the original message or original signal. So when you signal provided through the transmitter, channel, and your receiver, then you will get the output signal as a transmitted signal. Okay, all these parameters you may be indicated in a block. Okay, signal, the flow of signal and contains the different parameters. Okay, so input signal. Okay, so just after the definition of signal and system, we just try to classify the signal. Okay, so first one is your multi-channel and multi-dimensional signal. Okay, multi-dimensional and multi-channel signal. Nothing but your represent. So the real signal, if you represented by the xt equal to a sin omega t, and complex signal, that means here only the contains the real parts. Okay, that's why it is known as the real signal. And when you represent a complex signal, complex value, so complex signal, that means xt equal to a e to the power j 3 pi t. Okay, so this one is a complex quantity. How we can represent in trigonometrical form? That means nothing but a cos 3 pi t plus j a sin 3 pi. Hello.